In recent years, 3D printing has emerged as a groundbreaking force in architecture, redefining traditional construction methods. Innovators around the globe are utilizing this technology to create everything from sustainable homes to complex skyscrapers, allowing for unprecedented design flexibility and efficiency. For instance, the Icon's 3D printed homes are not only cost-effective but environmentally friendly, making housing more accessible. What does this mean for future cities and the architecture of tomorrow? How might this intersect with concepts like avatar creation and AI-generated designs? Join the discussion by sharing your thoughts in the comments below.